How to fix. There was a problem on NVIDIA app on Windows 11. First, restart your Windows 11 computer to clear temporary glitches, and then update the NVIDIA graphics card by pressing Windows plus X and select your device manager, expand display adapters, and then right-click your NVIDIA GPU. Then choose Update Drivers, search automatically for updated driver software, then follow prompts to install updates, and then restart your PC. Then reinstall NVIDIA GeForce Experience. Press Windows plus R, type appwiz.cpl, and then press enter. Find NVIDIA GeForce Experience, select it, and then select uninstall. Visit NVIDIA's official website, and then download the latest GeForce Experience installer. Install and then restart your PC. Also check NVIDIA services, press Windows plus R, type services.msc, and then press enter. Locate services, starting with NVIDIA, such as NVIDIA Display Container, LS, right-click each, select properties, and then set startup type to automatic. If any service is stopped, click start, then run NVIDIA GeForce Experience as administrator, right-click the NVIDIA GeForce Experience, shortcut, select run as administrator, then disable any antivirus or firewall temporarily, and then reset your NVIDIA app preferences. So open up NVIDIA GeForce Experience, go to settings, and then find the option to reset app preferences or settings. If this helped, subscribe.